Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, when I was in 10th grade, me and one Pakistani friend and one white friend used to sit, not really friend, we just know. So me and Pakistani guy used to talk in Urdu, and maybe he used to feel left out. So he used to sometimes, I think 2 times, make fun of my accent. So one day I was also teasing him, it was Ramadan, so I said, why are you not fasting, man? So Sheikh, then one day he made fun of my accent, this is the second time. I got, I think I got angry maybe. So then I got the opportunity, he said he plays football. Then unfortunately I said, doesn't look like it. Then 2, 3 kids laughed, but now I regret it, Sheikh, but he's not really, meaning, there's no relation. He doesn't really see me often. It's not because we're enemy or anything, just normally. So Sheikh, should I go to him and say sorry?
The answer is no. You should not go to him and apologize because you have not done anything that is wrong other than speaking in a different language in the presence of a third, even if he's a kafir and he does not understand. You are committing a sin by speaking privately without him knowing what you guys are speaking about, nor seeking his permission up front. But other than that, no, you do not go to apologize, just move on and don't repeat these mistakes or making fun of people again.
Sheikh, what it is, I've got a medical illness at the moment. So it's the doctors advised me not to fast. It's related to having low blood sugar levels. I wanted to ask you, when I'm eating, so when I feel like my blood sugar's low, I just eat. But can I still eat and drink at times when it's not low, but just to keep hydrated, or is it only eating when there's a necessity? And may Allah guide you to doing good and have mercy upon you, your family, and your parents.
And about to die, finds a dead corpse of a donkey, and he takes few morsels of it just to sustain his livelihood, to stay alive. This is for necessity. He's not allowed to feast on it and prepare the ribs and marinate it and barbecue it and enjoy the food. No, he has to only eat what sustains his life. A person who's diabetic, or the doctor said your sugar level is so low, it's 70 or below, you're gonna die. So you have to eat. He eats because that day is skipped. It's not valid. He has to make it up. But we don't say eat a banana and that's it and refrain till sunset. No, you can eat and have lunch and drink water and enjoy your day because you broke it for a legitimate reason and it's not binding for you to continue to fast because the day is skipped and Allah knows best.